Eat your breakfast, Ethan.
Mom, where is your ring?
I kept it somewhere safe.
You never remove it.
Do not worry about small things. This is not small. Finish your food first.
Look at him!
Something is wrong at home.
I can feel it.
Long day today.
Sit down and rest. Dad, are you okay?
Just tired, son.
What are they hiding? Why lie to me?
1,000. 2,000, 1,050,000. This money feels too little. It's not enough for anything.
These results don't seem right. No, this isn't right either.
Those are bills. This is serious.
Mom never walks this fast. Something is happening.
Please let this be enough.
Enough for what?
What are those papers?
Private things. I am family too.
Why is everyone quiet? Nothing is wrong. It feels wrong.
Eat your dinner.
Mom, Dad, what is happening in this house? Why is everyone hiding the truth from me? Ethan, please sit down first. No, tell me now, what is going on?
Vind!
Ethan, bring water for your father! Dad, please, this is water!
I should have told you.
Told me what?
I need surgery soon.
The ring paid first cost. To save your father.
I wanted to protect you.
You scared me instead.
I know, son.
Take care of our children, my dear wife.
Do not worry, you will get well soon. Yes, Dad, you will come back healthy soon. I judged you both.
You did not know.
I am sorry. Ethan, pray for your father's health, so the surgery is successful.
This feels endless. I'm trying.
Surgery was successful.
Thank God. Can we see him?
Soon.
How are you feeling?
Thank God. The pain is a little less now.
Dad, get well soon. We'll go home together. You look stronger today.
Because I came home.
And because we worry loudly.
I cannot buy gold yet.
I do not need gold.
Then take this promise.
It is perfect. It's so pretty.
Love is sacrifice.
Love is quiet too.
Love stays together.
Now I understand.
To watch more interesting videos like this, like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget the bell icon.